Well, hello there, my fellow humanoids and clever bunnies. Welcome to this procrastination session. I got things to do, but my brain tells me to procrastinate, so yeah, that I need to do then. So basically, I have gotten my new CNC, and I need to, as a desktop CNC, which can handle soft metals and even steel. Which basically means that I'm moving away from 3D printing as anything else but proof of concept for building robots and industrial equipment now. Same with the building my PCBs at home. I will start doing that again, so we can have a small demonstration of my abilities besides procrastination, of course, which is one of my very, very, very good and trained honed-in skills. Anyways, let's just cracking to procrastinate a little bit before we get serious. I was just wondering what the next project should be. Not a short, but a real project. If it should be like gears, a small robotic, joint with the gear and a motor, built-in motor, all built here in southern Denmark, of course. Or what it should be, AI and software programming. I don't feel it. I don't feel the challenge there anymore, to be serious. It is no challenge anymore with AI. Even if you don't, wipe coding and all that. Even though if you don't use it for your direct coding, you will just make the roadmap and the procedures and stuff like that so much more easy, so much more easy to plan, and especially the testing phase. You can make him do the testing planning, testing general, and reporting offline, of course, while you're sleeping. It could be like testing on your Git or something like that. Yeah. Oh, no coffee today. Of course, I forgot that, so I have alcohol-free beer from Royal, I think it is. Yeah. One Heineken. Still enjoy my beers though. Don't need that alcohol bit. It's pretty nice. I can say that I really like the beer from the taste of it. I wasn't actually quite sure when I was drinking alcohol. There it goes. I can't. I am scouted, yeah. I just gave you a warning, so thank you, man.
Panzer, 2 Uhr, Entfernung 300 Meter. Leopard, 1 Uhr, Entfernung 300 Meter. We don't have the advantage anymore. Panzer, 10 Uhr, Entfernung 700 Meter.
I don't know where that little pesky. Oh my god. Of course. Look at that. Put my wheels on. Excellent graphics, huh? On. Yeah. Nice. Nice.
Closer to victory. We no longer
So we are going to take up a big light Panzer here.
Schützenpanzer, 1 Uhr, Entfernung 450 Meter. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo, senkt,
Look at that, what's that?
wiederhalten.
We are going to scout a little bit
11 Uhr, Entfernung
that way.
650 Meter. Kampfdrohne starten.
And hover. And of course, we have aircraft.
9 Uhr.
This is excellent.
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 550 Meter. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten.
We need to go and check for the other guys. Micro scouts.
1 Uhr. Entfernung 1100
Just need to be scouting now for my dear friends.
Meter. Panzer, 11 Uhr. Entfernung 1300 Meter. Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 1300 Meter. Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 550 Meter. Panzergranate laden. Panzer, 10 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter. Panzer, 11 Uhr. Entfernung 450 Meter. Flieger, 4 Uhr. Flieger rot! Flieger rot! Flieger rot! Getroffen!
Yeah.
Wir sind da! Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo, senkt, zerschlagen. Echo, rechts, bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst, abgefeuert. Panzergranate, laden. Luftunterstützung im Anflug. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta, senkt, niederhalten. Delta, rechts, bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst, abgefeuert. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta, niederhalten. Delta, rechts, bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst, abgefeuert. T-64, 10 Uhr. Panzergranate laden. England, 10 Uhr. Da. Fliegeralarm. Getroffen. Attention to the designated grid zone. Panzer, 10 Uhr. Im
Where is that?
England, 10 Uhr.
Mixa.
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Im Nahbereich. Attention to the map. Getroffen. England, 12 Uhr. Artillerieschlag im Frontflugsektor. Panzer, England, 11 Uhr. Flieger, 10 Uhr. Achtung, Artillerieschlag. Feindrichtung ausgefallen. Attention to the designated grid zone. Attention to the designated grid zone.
Yeah, that's what then happened. But we're going to take that 9.7 again. Oh, sorry about that. Well, it is my absolute favorite tank because of the awesome ability to shoot down aircraft.
Flakpanzer, 1 Uhr. Entfernung,
We're going,
1200 Meter. Flieger, 2 Uhr. Entfernung, 550 Meter.
Bastard. Well, that can happen. We are.
Drohne starten.
Ah, god damn it.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you should be. Let's go fly a little bit here.
Panzer, 11 Uhr. Entfernung 900 Meter. Luftunterstützung auf dem Weg.
These higher tiers here in 21. Let's take a look at the action through the eyes of my scout. Almost as much fun as I had when playing Navy Field. Finally, we got something here. I really hate that Radkampfwagen because of I want the next 30mm gun thingy, which I think will be, yeah, we are close to the uninstallment area. We're coming here. The Puma Schützenpanzer light tank. It has 30mm, and it has a UAV, shrapnel time fuse, and APF SDS, that's armor piercing, what's that, discarding Sapo or something like that. What about this? Basically the same, huh? Let's go and deploy. Perhaps we should take air battle afterwards, just to show my retardedness. Anyways, otherwise, yeah, I bought myself a space mouse for drawing in CAT. Now I cannot live without it. I already just had it for like 4 or 5 hours. Let's look at the statistics. 10, 10, 10, 10, 7, 10, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 10, 3, that's me. So, let's go with that one, yeah. And
Gefechtsbereitschaft herstellen.
here,
Kraftfahrer bereit. Richtschütze bereit.
Ladeschütze bereit.
orders. Let's take something here. Check the orders. Makes it a little bit more interesting. Somebody, I think it's like a more like a unaliving event.
1000 Meter.
People do that.
Abrams, 10 Uhr. Entfernung
You
900
get behind this
Meter.
ridge.
Leopard, 10 Uhr. Entfernung 850 Meter. T-72.
It's
11
also
Uhr.
faster than quicker.
Entfernung 1100 Meter.
Weiter rechts.
good deflection on this tank, so I can
Roland,
barely
Granate
blow.
geladen.
Abrams, 11 Uhr, Entfernung 650 Meter. Panzer, 11 Uhr, Entfernung 700 Meter. Abrams, 11 Uhr, Entfernung 700 Meter. T-72, 11 Uhr, Entfernung 550 Meter. Panzer, 12 Uhr, Entfernung 650 Meter.
Ziel beschädigt!
Panzer, 12 Uhr, Entfernung 700 Meter. Panzer, 11 Uhr, Entfernung 700 Meter. Panzer, 11 Uhr, Panzer, 12 Uhr, Entfernung
Haven't got any
12 Uhr.
artillery yet with this one. Need to like oh,
Fehlschuss nicht! Weiter links! Rohladung geladen.
so easy does it. Just need to scout. Scout. Oh my god, they're standing there and our back end is getting absolutely hammered. Well, that's procrastination for you, that's for sure. And we're gonna get shot if we put our heads up there, yeah. Yep. Aye. What's that for kind of a tank which is yes, of course the T-80, yeah. Explosive armor and yada. We are going to take my big light pants out. And absolutely get me out of this hellhole here.
1000 Meter. T-80, 10 Uhr, Entfernung 800 Meter.
Oh,
T-80,
this is
11 Uhr, Entfernung 800 Meter.
we are definitely
Entfernung 950 Meter. Panzer,
Where's the chopper?
1 Uhr,
He's
Entfernung
shooting this direction.
11 Uhr.
Where? I got 2.5 kilometers targeting range.
12 Uhr,
Hit this
1000
left.
Meter. Request air support. Artilleriefahrt auf Koordinaten. Charlie, 3, Sturm. Charlie, 3, bestätige Koordinaten.
Oh my god, the same guy. What the hell is wrong with that guy? He is like in it. I said in it. Well, to take out there. Let's take this one. So we had played our 3 tanks and we can quit without penalty.
T-64, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 450 Meter. Attention to the map. T-64, 12 Uhr. Entfernung
Oh my god,
300
what's
Meter.
that?
Fehlschuss kommt!
Suddenly clearing out my office and getting room for that router CNC. Sounds like a very good idea. I got one beer left. It's a Royal Pilsner. Yeah. Finest non-alcoholic brew there is. Actually, I tried the Belgium alcoholic beer the other day at Christmas, I think. No, it was in Sweden. First of December or something like that. That was awesome. Really enjoyed that, I must say. Let's have this booster. and no, too late. No, I got the Craftbot XL 3D printer, which is definitely obsolete. Please don't let me be. Yeah, I like that. So one time Rad Kampf
Aufschlitzen!
Klar machen zum Gefecht.
Kraftfahrer bereit! Richtschütze bereit!
can't be lucky.
Leopard, 8 Uhr. Entfernung 600 Meter.
Not when your driving skills are like that. So it is basically there, but there's no place to hide it.
Panzer, 1 Uhr. Entfernung 300 Meter. Leopard, 2 Uhr. Entfernung 550 Meter.
Is that the proper way to die? Oh my god.
770.
I think that's
Entfernung
that tough
450 Meter.
That's
Ziele aufgefallen!
I'm missing a wheel.
Drohnen getroffen!
Attention to the designated grid zone. Enemy forces have captured the zone.
I think yeah. I want like big light panzers all over the place. Excellent. Otherwise, yes, some software. Yeah, I make interface for the Danish. We are going to launch our scout. This general direction it launches into the wind where my nose of the aircraft is. Yes, and that is a chopper. I need to is here. Yes, arms. Fantastic. Yes, that gives me even more. We will have a chopper soon.
9 Uhr.
This.
Entfernung 650 Meter. T64. 10 Uhr. Entfernung 450 Meter. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo 3. Leopard 10 Uhr. Hubschrauber 7 Uhr. Panzer 9 Uhr. Entfernung 650 Meter. Panzer 9 Uhr. Entfernung 450 Meter. Panzer
Aye! They got it.
Achtung! Liga-Alarm! Hubschrauber, 4 Uhr. Entfernung 1900 Meter. Hubschrauber, 3 Uhr. Entfernung 1800 Meter.
Ziel beschädigt!
Hubschrauber, 3 Uhr. Entfernung 1500 Meter.
Ziel abgeschaltet! Ziel getroffen!
Ziel 6 Uhr. Nah.
Ziel getroffen!
Was that suicider? Oh, I cannot see that on YouTube. We need to have replenished our.
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 700 Meter. Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 700 Meter. Achtung! Liga-Alarm!
No, go away.
Echo! 7! Wiederhalten! Echo! 7! Beschäftige Koordinaten! Abgefasst! Abgefeuert!
Ah,
T-80! 3 Uhr! Im Nahbereich!
Ziel beschädigt!
Somebody attack him! Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten! Echo! 3! Zerschlagen! Echo! 3! Bestätige Koordinaten! Aufgepasst! Abgefeuert! Achtung! Artillerieschlag! Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten! Echo! 5! Wiederhalten! Echo! 5! Bestätige Koordinaten! Aufgepasst! Abgefeuert! Leopard! 9 Uhr! Entfernung 350 Meter! T-80! 12 Uhr!
so
Im Nahbereich!
Ziel getroffen! Verstanden! Vorwärts Marsch!
Artillerieschlag in eurem Sektor!
yes.
Feuer in eurem Sektor! Panzer! 9 Uhr! Entfernung 450 Meter! Rückwärts! Ziel 9 Uhr! Entfernung 550 Meter!
Why am I not? Oh, that is critical.
Getroffen!
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 450 Meter. Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 400 Meter. Hubschrauber, 3 Uhr. Entfernung 800 Meter. Hubschrauber, 12 Uhr. Flieger!
Getroffen!
Adler in der Luft! Leopard, 12 Uhr, Entfernung 400 Meter. Rakete, an. Flakpanzer, 12 Uhr, Entfernung 500 Meter. Leopard, 12 Uhr, Entfernung 400 Meter. Leopard, 12 Uhr, Entfernung 400 Meter. Hubschrauber, 5 Uhr.
Sie wurden getroffen!
Oh, excellent. Oh, oh shit! I got cramps. Okay, this is End of session.